there's no way. I'm already so still burning. So hold me close, now baby. I do what I'm told, still learning to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm, no longer wishing, you're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride, look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1 million life, we could roll the dice, act like you're surprised, but you already know. Oh yeah, got lucky overnight, jackpot when I got the invite. Let me wrap my arms around you, cause I can't go home without you. And my heart just vibe with you, babe. Wanna go sky high with you, babe. Gonna bring you close to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. Cooler than cold, I'm all in. So load up the dice, so heavy. The way that you roll, I'm all in. So beautiful, I'm ready to take my chance.
Morning.
To take my time.
Morning, everybody.
I'm dancing to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm. No longer wishing, you're my lucky strike.
Magic keys is the topic of conversation today. Let's go. Auto BE. Yes, sir. Amazing.
We could roll the dice, act like you're surprised, but you already know. You're my lucky strike, and I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike, and I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike.
All right. Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Friday. Morning, Scott. Morning, Jay. Morning, Greenery. Morning, George. Morning, Anthony. Good morning, Kate. Full house. Appreciate you guys liking the stream on the way in. Happy Friday. Reen. Morning, Reen. Yeah, sample size. Anthony, wait. Hey, wait's in the building. Morning, Kate. How are we doing today? All right, what's going on? Happy Friday. Morning, everybody. Friday, February 17th. Would you look at that? Gold woke us all up this morning. Praise the Lord. Or God, not gold. God woke us up. Amen. Yes, he did. For now. Yes, Kate, for now. Ooh. Let's take a look. Ooh, nothing today. Nothing going on today, ladies and gents. Akatar, good morning. It's Friday, yes sir. It's a Friday vibe this morning. We got no news here today, so should be good to go. Markets are looking good too. A lot of volume this week, so we should have a good Friday, man. If this weekly wants to do what it wants to do, then possibly 1794 here today. Yeah. But yeah, let's take a look. Let me set up the Zoom. Set up the Zoom. Let's vibe, yeah, let's vibe. Send the Zoom link out here. And we'll get going. What time is it? 7:04? Yeah, we got time. Discord. All right, we're good to go. All right, perfect time. I believe our favorite song is coming up next. Crazy how the subconscious mind works, but I believe it's coming up. Let's fix this. All right, cool. Oh, maybe not. Sorry. All right, let's do it. Everyone doing good today? Y'all doing good, chat? Chatty chat. All right, let's. Feeling brand new. All right, let's lower this music a little bit. And let's get into it. All right. There we go. Okay, cool. All right, good morning, everyone. Let's get started here. It is another day, another Friday, right? Beautiful Friday. Another day to what? To be disciplined to our trading plan, right? Be disciplined to the commitments we've made in life, and be disciplined to our dreams and goals. So that's what we're going to do here today. Another day and another opportunity for discipline. So let's take a look, do a little storytelling here. So this is gold weekly time frame. It's been a good week. It's been a good week. I think we had trades every day this week besides Wednesday, I believe. So it's been a good week. It's been a fun week, and you know, all that stuff doesn't matter. All that matters is that we're here today and getting ready to do an analysis here. So let's take a look. Let me get this Zoom. Let me share the screen. All right, perfect. Okay, cool. So let's take a look. Weekly time frame here. Let's get rid of this. Stretch it out. Make it nice and big for you. So yeah, let's just recap, right? So we got the weekly time frame. Price has pushed up pretty heavy here, and then we all know why things started to slow down, right? Because you're coming up to these areas up here where there was signs of rejection, right? We had these highs up here, right? So we were coming into this area. This candle right here ended up closing with no top wick, right? And it was kind of like right in these zones. If you look left, we had this rejection. What do we know about candles that are closed with no top wicks, right? That they don't have room to drive, right? Because at the end of the day, a wick, is what? It's a range for price to drive, right? When you have a candle and it closes with a wick like that, the next candle now has room and range to drive, right? So that's why you see this happen all the time. And then you see a candle with no wick, and now that means that up here there's no range here. There's no range for price to continue up. So normally what you'll see is the next candle start to dive back down, right? Like this. So we know that when candles don't have any wicks, there's no range for price to drive it, right? So that's what you've seen there. And then the next candle did what, right? The next candle opened up bullish, created a bottom wick. After creating a bottom wick, this candle should have been able to drive, but it went nowhere, right? Same thing with the next one. Candle went nowhere, no room to drive up in this range. And then we had a bearish candle close very strong, very, very strong below these areas over here, right? So you had this area right here, price closed below. Now, what's one thing you notice about this candle, right? One thing we could notice about that candle is that that candle closed with very little bottom wick, right? And then that was the reason I believe that we weren't able, when we took that one trade, we weren't able to really go for the distance, because we had to create some sort of another candle with the wick, right? So this candle right here kind of was our liquidity candle. And then now you see this next candle has the juice to come on down, right? Because now there was a wick, there was a range, and that range is being filled. So that's what the weekly time frame is talking to us about right now. If it could say where it wants to go, it would say right around these areas, right? So right now the weekly candle is really looking to continue down, I'm sure, and fill the rest of the range. And that's what we're gonna look to take advantage of today. Today's Friday. It's the last day of the week. If the candle wants to do it, it's gonna do it now. And we're gonna be here to anticipate that and catch that move. So let's take a look at the daily time frame here, right? Daily has desperately, and I mean desperately, tried to make its way up, but it just cannot do it, right? You had all these candles right here, wick, rejection, 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 ended up closing bearish every single day. This candle then engulfed the whole move up, right? This whole move up was engulfed by this candle right here, closing below this support, right? So now you have this candle closing below the support, and you have clean range to drive on down, right? So let's take a look at that support. Right, candle closes below, clean range to come on down. Weekly time frame should be getting filled down in these areas. So that's what we're looking at today, is to really look for positions that we could find in this range right here. Right, so the way we're going to find that out and figure that out is by going down to the lower time frames. So one thing we do notice is that the daily candle did close above this support right here, right? And then another thing that we can notice here is that this current daily candle still has no top wick on it, right? Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that the candle has to come up and create a top wick, but most candles have top and bottom wicks on them, so there is a high probability that this candle will come up to create a top wick. There's also this area here which we've closed above, right? So if we put the story together in our mind, well, we have your push down on gold. You have this candle right here yesterday that closed strong bearish, but it closed above the support here, right? And that's the reason yesterday why we were, remember I said this in the morning breakdown, and this is why it's so important to be here for the breakdown in the morning or go back and watch it, because I talked about how we have to keep this in the back of our mind, that this candle right here, yes, it closed bearish, but it closed above this support, right? So just to keep it in the back of our mind by remembering that at the end of the day, if this was a 30-minute time frame, we wouldn't even be taking sells, right? We'd be waiting for this closure below this zone. So at any time during that New York session, and I said this yesterday, that this candle could push down to fill the wicks on the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame, but still turn back around and flip bullish and close bullish on the day, because we were above the support here. And what do you know, this candle, it was more bullish at one point after our session, and it closed bullish doji, right? So we have to keep that in mind, right? That we are still above this area here. And now we have no top wick on this daily candle. So, you know, we broke the low, sells are looking good, right? The weekly time frame says that we should come down into these levels, 1801-ish. So, you know, we have to, be safe here today, right? We have to make sure we get closures. We have to make sure we, get top and bottom wicks, because it's a Friday too, right? So it's very unpredictable here, being that this candle is just so close to the support. This one has no top wick, right? We just have to keep these things in mind. So although we are bearish, it seems like we're pushing down with a lot of momentum. Price wasn't even really able to make a top wick yet. So let's take a look at the 4-hour and see what we got going on. So 4-hour time frame had a really nice push, looks like during Asian and then London, and we noticed that this candle was very strong, right? This candle was very strong, a little bit weaker, a lot weaker, right? Rejections, and now this candle dove down right away, and now what's happened is coming back up. So this with the 4-hour time frame is looking pretty sketchy here right now, right? So we have to look left here and see what's going on. So let's figure out where we're rejecting from here. All right, so let's take a look to the left-hand side. I do notice that you have this support right here that we could possibly be rejecting, and then we could possibly be rejecting these areas, right? So we don't want to take any buys above this area. If you notice, when candles have closed below, it drives down, right? This one couldn't go, closed below, it drove down. So it could be rejecting these areas. Let's go see where these white lines are. Yeah, so that makes sense, right? Makes sense. We're really just kind of bearish momentum, just kind of dying off here on the 4-hour. So that's what the candles are telling us. So let's take a look at the 1-hour here. So 1-hour time frame. You do have these rejections. You have a couple areas of resistance here today. All right, so let's take a look at this. So, where can we, let's jump back to the daily, and let's mark off this daily flip, right? If price is going to create a top wick, that's where it's going. So, and then let's just mark off the low. All right, so daily flip is all the way up here. This area, let's see if this is that consolidation here. Yeah. Yep, this is a much better area for sells, something below here. Because every time price closed below, we drove down. Price closed below, we drove down. Price closed below, down, down. Closed below here, drove down. So this is a pretty good area here that we can look at. It's pretty deep here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, I like this. This looks good. 1819. Let's take a look at this area too. We really want to look left and see where price closed below and then was able to drive down, right? Couldn't break above, closed below, drove down. So that's what we really want to find when we look left, because we want to be pretty sure that when price closes below these areas that we're pretty clean to drive down, right? So let's leave it there for now. And what's that look like on the 15? Yep, yeah. So let's leave it there for now. And it looks like buys are going to be, so we had this rejection wick. Basically you had, right, if you had this marked off, you had your, you know, your fake out, your break back below, and then your second fake out. Now you're pushing back up. So probably to try and retest this wick. I think if we can get a closure on the, let's take a look at the 1 hour here. I think if we can get a closure on the 1 hour above this area here, that we could look to take buys, and that would be a range 2. Again, we don't want to jump on buys so quickly here today because this candle is extremely bearish, right? The only reason I even be considering buys here today is that there's no top wick on this daily candle. That's the only reason why we even consider taking a buy, and that we have not yet closed below the support here on the daily. So that's the only reason why buys would make sense here today. So what's that looking like on the daily? It down. So we may not close down here, but we can definitely see this area. See price tap into this area today. So yeah, so we're gonna be looking for sells below here, closure, and buys are gonna be up above here, and we're gonna look for range 2 buys today. Cool. And that is the day here on gold. Alrighty. Let me ask you guys, you like white lines here or yellow lines? White or yellow? What do you think? What do you think? This is always my biggest debate. I always switch. Green likes white. White or yellow, chat? If it ain't white, it ain't right. Any. White or yellow? Green? Oh no. Good morning, bakers. How's that calf feeling today? All right, we'll stick with white. So much better. Thank you, healed. Amen. There you go. He makes it simple for us, doesn't he? All right, beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna be staying the heck up out of this range today, and we're gonna be looking to take positions and take advantage of these ranges up here or these ranges below here today. Sound good? Take a picture, save it. That's the day. That is the day. See, that support I'm just not too comfortable with because there's not much. Damn, chat, maybe we can take advantage of that. Honestly, this one seems much better. A lot of pushes down here, though. We'll keep an eye on that support. Because if we have volume, chances are, and it wants to push down, and we have volume in the market, and you do get a close below the support on a session open or something, right, you should be good for the next candle now to drive down and close below, then to fill these ranges. So we'll keep an eye on this support here. We'll see if it does close below, we'll see what time it is, if there's volume in, and see if we can catch a wick fill and then actually get a closure above. So in this case, you know, I'd either be looking to have this as my confirmation candle and trade this candle and trade this candle, or we can wait for this candle to close below and trade this one. So we'll have to see if and when and what time that happens around, and see if we could look for entries below that support. But for now, on pound yen today, I'll stay away from this. You want to see that low break. Because at this point you had two really nice candles. You may come up, create some sort of support here. So you definitely want to see the lows break. That's why I wouldn't enter off of this support right here. Buys are good above here. We are pushing up here, so. But a little bit more locked into gold here. Let's take a look at US30. Man, US30 ripped. That thing ripped yesterday. So let's see what US30's got going on. Breaking weekly lows. Breaking weekly lows, man. Broke the high, broke the low. Candle's crazy. So yeah, weekly time frame. You had this nice push up, a nice pullback, push up. Now we're getting a lot of rejections here. Candles are undecided, they don't know what they want to do. We're having a strong bearish push here though. So if we can get below the support here by the end of today, then you know next week you can come on, drive down into these ranges, right? So let's see what the daily time frame is talking about here. So daily time frame, pretty bearish, close below, but very little bottom wick, right? So very little bottom wick. This is a crazy area of wick rejections here as well, right down in this area. So never know. No bottom wick on this candle, very small top wick on this candle. Price could very well just pull up and close back above the support here today, but looking pretty bearish as of right now. Take a look here on the 4 hour. Same thing as gold, right? We're kind of in no man's land here, running out of volume, running out of momentum. So don't really want to trust that this 4 hour candle will rip. You're better off waiting until 9 a.m. That's when US30 really gets cooking anyway. So better off waiting for the NYSE open and all that good stuff. But if you get these closures, should be good. But we've had such a mega push down at this point. Monster push. This current 1 hour candle's broken the high, right? So we don't know what this candle wants to do. We had a closure below. You had your little push down, but that was about it. So yeah, US30, we're gonna have to wait on that. We're gonna have to wait. But yeah, let's keep an eye here on gold. We have the next 30-minute candle, and the 1 hour candle will be the NYSE open. So let's keep an eye on gold. But pretty simple. We're just gonna do what we do every day, right? Now we're just gonna wait. Now it is time to wait. Any questions, any thoughts, any concerns, comments? Let's get everything up here. So it's been a pretty good week. Let me just load this up, chat. Been a pretty good week, right? So we started the challenge on Friday or Monday. I think it was Friday. But so far we got one break-even trade, and then we got little base hits here, right? So we're up about 1.5% on the account. And that's the end of week one. Well, we still have today, so, but yeah, looking pretty decent here. Base hits, right? Derek Jeter mentality, and that's how it should be when you're in a challenge, and when you're just trading in general, right? Just base hits, man. Base hits win ball games, right? Every now and then you're gonna get a home run or a grand slam, but at the end of the day, the base hits and the doubles are what puts runners on. It's what moves runners around the bases, and ultimately it's what puts points on the board, right? So Just because you're not hitting huge 3-4% trades, that doesn't mean anything, right? So base hits are what it's about. First week looking pretty good, and yeah, we're gonna keep this going. And next, we're gonna do the verification process, and then we're gonna do the live account, and then I will jump onto either a 200K or a 300K, and we'll run the challenges up so you guys can see how we do it, how we pass them. So yeah, see if we get a closure at 8 a.m. We want to get this range 2 today though, so range 2. So much drama in the LBC. We've got volume. We've got volume. So, what was I gonna do? We got 130 something subs on YouTube. First week in the game, so really do appreciate all the love. Hopefully we're giving some value out here. You guys are learning. That's the goal here, is that to just take some of the things that I've learned, some of the mistakes I've made, and talk about it here on stream and save you guys from that, right? Save you guys from having to go through some of the learning process and the muddy stuff, right? The stuff that you really don't want to go through. So hopefully I can save you some time and some energy and help you out with your trading here. But yeah, if you guys have any charts that you guys want to go over, any positions that you've taken, you can post them in this channel right here. We'll go over them on stream. But other than that, these are the rooms. NY analysis, let's take a look. So sells below. What time frame is this? How do I make this bigger? So sells below 1820. 1820 down here. And sells below 1827. Buys above 1833. Looks good. Looks good. Oh, range 2. So this guy has range 2 buys. What time frame is this? 30 minute? Very nice. Very nice. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. Yep, nice. Yeah, so the only way I'm taking buys above here is that range 2. If we can get a range 2 buy, then we'll take it up here. If not, they're clean up here as well. Just found this channel like right now. Great to be a subscriber and ready to make money with you. Hey, let's go. Ready to do it. Kevy Kim in the house. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for subbing. We're here every day, Monday through Friday. You can join our free Discord as well. Come on in there. Let's see some of your charts. Any questions that you have, there's a great community in there that can help you out. Welcome. Green just caught on saying green. Green! Morning, Johnny boy.
Good morning, brother.
How we feeling?
Feeling great, bro. How about yourself?
Man, dude. Friggin' amazing. Just amazing.
Better.
Couldn't. Yeah, just amazing, man. Absolutely lost for words. That's how good I'm doing.
Not for real. Damn.
Would you look at it? Man, would you look at it? You waiting for the push up? Yeah, we'll see. There has been some monster pushes up, secure profits on it, and that was it. Price pushed back up rest of the day. Not a red candle in sight here on the 30-minute. So it looks like not a red candle in sight, retrace the whole move. It's a Friday, Freaky Friday. Oh, what's good? Anybody got any good plans for the weekend? Morning, Jay.
Morning, my man. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, my bad. I had to log out and come back in. My mic wasn't working.
Oh, no worries, bro. Oh, what's the good word today, Jay?
Oh man, it's a Friday. It's gonna be a no trade day for me this morning. I got some.
Oh, you heading out early?
At 6 in the morning. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's gonna be an early one, so hopefully I get back before the market closes. If there's something good, maybe that.
Yeah.
I don't mind not taking a trade today, so that is what it is.
For those of you guys that don't know, Jay's on the West Coast, so it's early.
It's about
7, 6,
about to be 5 a.m. here.
4:53 right now for Jay.
Mm-hmm.
So what, you heading downtown this morning?
Not actually. It's Bellevue, so it's just like 2 towns over. Just chilling. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's just that today, and then we just have to do it because like people work there, so we're gonna be on top of people. So they're like, can you just come do it early? It's
Oh,
like,
yeah.
Good morning. Good morning.
They don't want to get
People in the
disturbed.
chat. Oh yeah.
Morning, Jet.
Good morning, my man. How you doing?
Feeling great, bro. How about yourself?
Chilling, brother. It's a Friday. I can't complain.
Yes, sir.
It's a Friday.
It's a Friday.
Anybody got any plans for the weekend? What's it looking like? Oh damn! Amber Alert, kidnapped child.
Nah, I saw that.
That was. Yeah. Green, what's the plans for this weekend? You going back to that waffle spot? Where was that? I need to know the location of that. Chat. That looks fire. That looks gas.
Damn.
Yeah, I had a feeling this was in that Lodi Edgewater spot or something. I had a
Bacon,
feeling.
sausage.
That
What's
looks.
that in the middle.
That's
Pancake?
empanadas.
Oh, waffle. Oh no.
Oh, here,
It's
yeah,
the
that looks
chicken.
like pancakes.
Damn. son,
That looks.
awesome.
That's a spread right there, dude. That's a king spread, Green.
Damn.
That's a spread
So
for
you
a
gotta
king.
eat like that to get swole like Green? Shit.
Yeah,
Fuck. I
apparently.
don't know if I can do it. I can't even eat that much.
That looks fire though, man. Those little chicken bites look insane.
Yeah.
Those look
That
insane.
whole thing looks fast.
Those
Those
look.
good ass eats.
Finish the whole thing to the face. Yeah, man. Damn.
Good shit, Green. Like you're supposed to, you know.
My man Green.
Feast.
He took both those plates to the face.
Was that yours too, Green, or was that
Damn,
your
son.
ladies? Nah, this one is probably just this one.
I was gonna say that man's a savage.
two,
bro.
that'd be
Two
nuts.
plates.
I think it's just
two plates. I'm a growing man. I need 2 plates.
That chicken looks gas.
You should have thrown some that syrup on it, bro. Giving it that extra, you know.
Oh, I bet he did.
But for the gram,
By the time the syrup was going on, his phone was in his pocket. It was gone. He was. I'm locked in on this now. Green was locked in.
Green should start making those videos on YouTube of just people eating.
Yeah, like reviews.
Those shits just get views, man. People just love seeing other people eat. Man, you can make money by watching people watching you eat. Them paying you to go eat at different places and shit.
That's a W lunch right there, man. Brunch.
That was lunch? I was gonna say.
That was
damn.
brunch.
Breakfast for lunch.
It was another couple's, so I was like 2 people's meal, and you just had this one by yourself. Damn. Looks fire. Hey, we got another new friend here. Anis, appreciate you. Thanks for joining the Discord. Check out all the rooms, have some fun, ask whatever questions you like. But welcome. Welcome Nardos, welcome Anis. Appreciate you guys subbing to the channel, giving the stream some likes. Let's get this stream out to more and more traders, man. We got big plans with this stream here, so we want to see you guys win. Anis, there he is. There you are. Thanks, man. Oh yeah, maple syrup. Yeah, I'd be good on that. So gold rejecting this area here before the NY Open. Welcome. Appreciate the 12 likes. 21 people on here. Let's get the 2 in front of the 1 on the likes too. That would be dope. I am doing a My Forex Funds challenge. MFF. Look at that rejection there on gold. Rejections. Yeah, so we rejected this area here before the open. Now this is going to be the NY Open here.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Hey, can you text me that that channel that you were telling me about? I meant to ask you that the last like 5 days. Remember that copyright free channel
Oh yeah.
that was out there?
You want me to text it to you, or do you want me to just?
Or you could just tell me and I'll add it here.
So yeah, it's called Epidemic Sounds,
Epidemic.
and you can do like a free trial, see if it's something that you like. But they're literally, it's a business that is solely does like your intro musics and like all that shit. The only thing that they don't want you to do is like use it for like commercials and stuff, which you're not gonna do, but no.
Oh, here it is. Let's see what we got going on. Man, the only issue with these are they're like only a couple minute songs.
Dude, I'm trying to get you like a fucking playlist that you could just have it playing in the background. But it needs to be like around like I say 12 songs. That way it doesn't, you don't hear the same 4 replaying.
Yeah,
songs.
exactly.
Yeah, like if you look up under like electronica dance, dude, they have hundreds and hundreds of songs. Some of them are like 2 minutes, 5 minutes.
But the NY Open. Here we go.
It sound effect too, like we're in a losing trade and it's like a do.
For the losers, I want to get a womp womp womp
What's up?
on the soundboard.
Oh,
Yeah.
bro,
Is that your awake?
Morning,
playing
Bikos.
chess.
Dude, today I woke up at 3.
Where'd John go?
Yeah, I love chess.
I love chess.
Started playing it like a month ago.
I can play checkers.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's a hard game, bro. It makes me feel stupid sometimes.
Dude, yeah, bro. Like that's, I don't know how you remember all of the moves.
See if this candle's gonna fill this wick or not. Something tells me it may not, but this candle closing no bottom wick here. Man, Tandy, we really needed you to be walking Odin yesterday because we needed some juice on that trade.
And he's gonna have to be walked earlier today because Lily's getting teeth removed.
Oh, that's right. She's getting the wisdom teeth job, right?
Yeah.
What time is that?
Right now, dude.
Oh,
as we
really?
speak.
Ooh.
I feel so bad.
Honestly,
for
that
her.
wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it's just she's never had a surgery ever or anything bad in her life. So this is her first experience going through anything.
Gotcha.
But
She
yeah,
can do it.
it's crazy that like people over in like UK and stuff just drill their teeth so they can get veneers and stuff. Like everyone.
Is that how they do it in the UK, chat?
I feel like it. Like all those UK dating shows, they all have veneers. Like you're hot and you already got all of your teeth shaved off. Like that sucks.
That's the next step in the forex journeys. You got to get them veneers. You ain't a real forex trader unless you got some veneers in there.
Those white chompers.
Where-
They're like fucking $16,000.
Hey, I'll take it.
Yeah,
dude.
but-
I want those George Washingtons, bro.
You gotta get
Yeah,
a
you
whole
gotta-
George Washington.
You gotta get the veneers if you want to be a real trader.
Yeah.
Chat, that's
Bro,
the
they were
secret.
really made out of wood.
That's the secret right there. Them veneers. After them veneers, then comes the Lambos and the
You
Ferraris.
need the hair implant if you don't got them.
Yeah.
And then your face, like, there's not a single wrinkle on your face.
You get the snake venom in the face. Yup.
You can't even blink. You can't even cry.
Oh man. First come them veneers, then them Lambos. Then you crack 250K on Instagram.
Hey, oh.
Man.
You have a son named Lambo Raul.
Off to the races. Hey, shout out to Lambo Raul.
Rambo.
That was
Shout out Rambo.
That was the first course I've ever taken was Lambo Raul.
Shout out Rambo. I mean Lambo.
Yeah.
Mine was Daniel Savage.
Yeah, I could see that being yours.
Yeah, that would. Oh man.
He's a changed guy, I think.
What?
Daniel Savage is a changed guy. He's humble now. After
Yeah, I
getting
know.
that.
I saw that. He's humbled me.
My first sports was Nick Stewart.
Hey, an OG. Tandy is an OG to the Time to Eat community.
Even though you've already refunded me what I paid you.
Oh man.
I'm still gonna pay.
Yeah. Tandy was one of the first.
Me and who? I think it was Tyler? Somebody else.
Who?
One of your boys. It was me and somebody else. The IML stuff. I forget.
Can't even remember, man.
Yeah. It was a step ago.
Yeah, you know we had that harmonic scanner that was just killing the game. You know, you don't even need to know what a chart is.
Yeah.
Just wait for that scanner to scan it up, and
Hey,
you got a winning trade every time.
yeah.
Don't get much better. Those are the good old days.
Alrighty, boys. I'm gonna jump off of here. Hope you guys take the win this
All right,
morning.
Jay.
Close off the Friday strong. Take a win for me.
All right, brother.
I want
I'll
to
see you
those
later,
LG
man.
posts.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can get
I
it.
gotta go handle some business early this morning, dude. Sucks, I know.
This week sucks.
All good, Jay. It's Friday. You chilling?
Come on, dog. Alright, well, have a beautiful day.
I will see y'all boys Monday.
All right,
Yes,
brother.
sir.
Have a great weekend.
Later, biz.
Peace, Jay.
Like,
Jay got to handle some business.
Alright.
Yeah. So. $9.30. High possibility. Really waiting to see. Yeah, we are the 930 crew. Really thinking that this candle can close bullish here on the 4-hour time frame. Remember what we talked about in our analysis and our breakdown this morning? How we had a strong push down here, right here on the 4-hour time frame, but these candles started getting a bit weaker, right? You can tell that they're getting tired, right? There's they're running out of juice, and then you had this nice rejection here, another rejection. Now this candle's looking pretty healthy bullish. So the next 4 hour, depending on how this one closes here in a couple minutes, can give us a good direction of where price wants to go next. Yeah, volume coming in. Yep. Oh, you don't like this song, Green? I'm gonna find some better music this weekend. Not gonna lie though, this has been the winning channel here. You want good music or you want money? What you want to do? Yeah, I'll find some new music for us, chat. Take a look at this 4 hour time frame here. What's this candle doing? This could be all the confirmation we need here on sells, but we got to get a close below here, because now we're really rejecting. See how prices attempted and attempted and attempted, gave it one last push to see if it could do it, and as of right now it's not looking pretty for the buyers. So if we can get this candle to close somewhere back under this range, that'd be ideal. To look for sells coming down. See what the 15-minute looks like. Yeah, nasty rejections. Got 9 minutes. Oh, sorry. Sorry. One hour, man. 1 hour rejected hard. This is most likely, remember we were talking about your 1 hour fake out here. So we get this fake out back into the range. We'll be looking to get some positions here today on this Friday. Hard rejection. Monthly, weekly, and daily has strong support. Price could respect these levels and push up. Definitely. Yep, that's my big issue with the daily candle, man. Big issue. Two big issues. Number one, we never close below the support. Number two, we have no top wick. But sells below here would lead to, we'd be breaking the 4-hour lows. So we could look for something like that, or we could look for a fake out, because there's a possibility that price may not push down this low today. Right? It may just want to come back down, fill the wick, and that's it. Not even, maybe. You know, it may just come down into these levels here. And that's about 30, 40, between 30 and 40 pips. Four-hour, two bullish candles starting to push up. If we do close above, we'll be waiting for a seller replay. Because remember, the 9 a.m. candle does have to create some sort of a bottom wick on the 4-hour, right? Ooh. 9:30 gang. Sit tight, wait for the plan to show up. When the plan shows up, we execute every time. Win or loss, we stick to our plan, but we're not just going to force trades because we want to take a trade, right? I'm hoping that everyone can get past that phase in their trading, because once you get past that phase, trading becomes very simple. It becomes very easy, right? You never want to force a trade. You never want to be shitting bricks in a trade. You should always be very confident in your position. But the only way that you can be confident in that position if you have that sample size backed up data that you've been looking at for 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, 12 months, 15 months at that point, and you can confidently execute on your strategy, on your system. But you never want to just randomly take a trade just because you feel like making money, right? That's not how the game works. It may work for one trade, it may work for 2 trades, but over a course of 100, you'll probably lose 80 to 90 of them. But when you have that playbook and that sample size data, you can flip those numbers, and then that's how you become a profitable trader. Yeah, Tandy, let me know about Sunday. If you have never ate at that spot, maybe we'll go.
Oh yeah, I definitely will. I got you.
They have a really cool spot down there also. It's like a 90s theme. I think it's called Gen Y or Gen X or something. It is they got Nintendo in there. They got all over the walls, bro. Just ton of cool stuff from like the 90s. Pretty neat.
That's dope.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I haven't checked out like downtown Tampa in a while, so
Yeah, yeah, they got some nice spots.
wow.
Man, what is this candle doing? 1 minute left.
I mean, it doesn't look too bad on the 4 hour.
Yeah, 4 hour closed. Got a support here, possibly. You're gonna need a bottom wick though on this 4 hour candle. So we closed, but we closed pretty weak on the 30-minute time frame, straight doji. So we're gonna continue to wait here. Can't do nothing with this. Can't do nothing, right? One hour closed bullish, but it closed below, and even if you were using this area here, it closed right at it. Right, so we're gonna need to see some sort of closure above this area if we want to take buys. Nasty 15-minute time frame here. Nothing. Oh. If we get a close below at 9:30, that'd be pretty nice. We'll watch the 15-minute here too. The issue becomes now daily's bearish, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour's bullish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 minutes in a nasty range, right? So there's nothing clear. There's nothing clear cut for us to actually say we've seen this in the past, we can execute right now, and we should be able to, you know, come out with a win, right? So there's none of that right now. If this candle would have closed above the range, things would have been a little bit different, but there's nothing here for us right now. You can't write in the Discord? What channel are you trying to write in? Should be good. Should be good. Got you. Got you, got you. Time to eat channel. Which channel here? I'll put the link here in the chat. Let me put the link. There you go. There's the link to the Discord. Come on in. Oh, perfect. Nikolowski. Oh, you were in the welcome. Yeah. Yeah, you can't type in the welcome. Yeah, you can only read in the welcome. But yeah, if you have any questions or any charts that you want us to break down or any cool stuff you're doing, let us know in the Discord. Anyone looking at gold for London? Doesn't look great. Left side very choppy for me. Yeah. That was I guess that was all this, huh? London really didn't do much. New York either so far. I'll wait for 1840 liquidity grab. What do you think? 1840. All the way up here, huh? That's about 100 and something pips away. That'd be ideal if we're talking about next week. Top wick, right? But as of today, I don't think gold is gonna push up that high today. It's a little bit of a boring session here today. Just couldn't find an entry. Yeah, for London, yeah, it's tough. No top wick on this candle. Small bottom wick. No top wick on this one. That could have been your trade candle, but that's tough. Tough to put your trust here when there's no top wick and then very small top wick. You had a wick to fill, but that was a bit tough. Yeah, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen. Let's take a look at US30 here. Let's go to the bench. Yeah, we're very bearish here for US30, so you don't really want to take buys up here. Sells would be nice below these supports, but yeah, sells are clean, man. Clean. But price all the way up here right now. So really nothing going on with US30 for us. Sells below here look good though. Buys are good above here because that leads to the daily break of the previous high. So yeah, I would just wait on US30. Yeah, these are all my old pairs here, chat. Too much going on for me here. So yeah, we'll see if we can get some volume here at 9:30, some sort of direction, and we'll take a position. If not, looking like a no trade day if we don't break out of here. So you got what? Let's take a look at this. You have gold, 1 hour time frame. Yeah, what are we looking at? So we have gold, we have a 1 hour time frame. Looks like you're using a Fibonacci. Little trend line. Asian session, liquidity grab. Nice, so I'm guessing you're in buys off of this this level here. So you're expecting a push up. Nice. Okay, you're just waiting. Yeah, same here. Nice, I like the colors of that chart. Blue and gray. Nice, bro. Nikolowski. I love that. I like that name. Sounds like you could be in the NBA. Nikolowski for 3. Bang.
Man.
Yep, it's one of those Fridays.
That going on this weekend, I think.
Yeah, got my daughter's 2nd birthday on Saturday.
Nice.
So we'll be doing some of that. Sunday, we'll probably spend the afternoon downtown Tampa, exploring, probably do some lunch and stuff.
Nice.
But Saturday, I think we're going to like this kids bungee trampoline crazy, you know, course thing.
Okay.
Probably do some lunch and then come back, dinner, cake, all that good stuff.
Nice.
For a 2-year-old.
Gotta do it.
She don't even eat cake. How about you? Anything cool? Anything good?
Just going to chill with some friends tonight. They just bought a new house, so probably do that.
Oh, nice.
Tomorrow, probably go out with my girl to dinner. Just can go out during the week, and then Sunday I got a friend's kid's first birthday party.
Oh, nice. Kids' birthday
Yeah.
parties everywhere.
Yeah, man, it's like that age now. It's happening all the time now.
A lot of your friends have kids?
So a couple of them. Not a lot of them, a couple of them. But a lot of them getting engaged and shit like that, doing that whole thing.
Yeah, nice. Yep, 15-minute close in the range. So it really all rides on this 30-minute close here today, chat. Oh, posted in the traders chat room how my charts used to look versus now. Let's take a look. Let's take a look while we wait. Let's take a look here. So old, this is how my charts used to look. So gold 15-minute. Looks like you have some moving averages there. 15-minute divergence form, but not from the OS. On the TDI, decent RR. Divergence trend line. Price action holding this level. Continue to make higher highs, higher lows. A1, C, wow, yeah. 3CF. Yeah, I see that's just too complicated for me. I can't even A1, 3CF idea on 21 EMA, you know? Like, I mean, I know what the EMA is, but, you know. 15-minute price action, holding the upshift. I mean, you have great notes, I'll tell you that. Sky is really good at, he's a good tracker, he's a good note taker. Price action, another breaks. Trend line. It's just so much going into it, though.
Yeah.
It was madness.
Especially for like scalping, like by the time you take all those confluences into consideration, the move's probably finished.
Yeah, taking control and price action was beginning to pull back. Perfect L50 all day. No OB today yet. Love how the RSI, TI, or TL, and the L50 are hold the BZ today. Yeah, man, you lost me, bro. I'm lost in the sauce. Right? Or
Yeah,
we
I
could,
think like in the beginning people like just overcomplicate it, and then
Yeah.
once like a couple years down the road they you know they keep working at it and they're like, you know what, I really don't need all of these things.
Yep, I've been there too. But if we look, oh, we can't use this on that?
I've been there too. I used to have literally everything that's on the chart right now. I use the same thing. That's the alligator indicator, right? What's the It's supposed to be like
Looks-
the alligator.
Looks like you're gonna get stopped out there, buddy. If that candle closes below, next candle should drive.
Yeah, I used to use every single one of these indicators that he has
Right.
on right now, and I didn't make $1.
Back into this golden area you got here. Nice notes though, Scott. It was madness. Set hut. Indicator trading. I was there also. We all been there. Didn't realize how simple you can make trading. So glad I found price action early on. Yeah. Yup. I'm still using Super Trend and Harmonic Zapper 9000. That's funny. And now let's look at your next chart. So this is what his chart looks like now.
Yeah, much better.
Oh wow. How about that? Pretty simple. Buys above this level, closure, range 2, breakouts. Sells below this level, closure. Wow. Now I could understand that. Pretty simple. Price action, man. At the end of the day, when you remove all this, the trend lines, the moving averages, the zones, the L50s, and all this divergence, what do you have? Just candles, all right? So once you learn how to read candles, there's no need for any of this stuff. Not saying it doesn't help, right? Everyone learns different, everyone trades different. If these things help you see price action much better and you're more profitable doing things this way, then this is your way of trading. But it doesn't have to be that complicated. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Clean as a whistle. Cleaner the better. Yeah. Good work, Scott. Good work, good work. Scott takes good notes. He tracks his trades very well. And that's why he's improving. He's not just coming on looking for a signal or looking for some money. He wants to get good at this thing, right? He wants to provide a lifestyle for his family here. So, you know, he's making the moves that he needs to make to really understand these markets and what's going on in them. So, proud of you, buddy. Good work. Got 8 minutes. 8 minutes to tell if we are going to be hanging around here or if we are going to be having an easy, short Friday. Yeah, I'll probably look, if we do get a closure below, we'll look to take sells on this 930 candle. And after we get a top wick, when price reaches this area here, this is where I'll look to move stops to break even. and then probably close full right in these areas here today. Right in these areas. See if we can do it. Hey Tassie, happy Friday. Welcome, welcome. Looking like you're just in time. We got 5 minutes here. 5 minutes. Just watching Fridays. I don't trade. Nice, nice. So it's a nice chill session for you. It was a good week, Tassie. It was a good week. It was a good week. Yep. This candle don't know what it wants to do. Yes, just passed my challenge. Let's go. Now waiting one more day and finally my live account. Congratulations. Seriously, congrats. That's amazing. Shout out to Tassie. Big W's. Big W's for Tassie. And just treat that account with care. Treat it with love and respect. And it will take care of you. You take care of the account, and the account will take care of you. W. W for Tassie. Congratulations. Good job. Hopefully those trades we took this week helped you out. Got you over. And looking forward to hearing how you do on your live account. Yeah. Take care of it as like it's your precious baby, because it is. It'll feed your family, I promise. Just gotta treat it right. 1 minute. Can we close below? Oh, here comes your volume. No bottom wick here, chat. Here's the deal. So here's how an impulse entry could work here. We pull up, we make a top wick, we re-break the low. But I'm gonna need a bigger top wick than that. It's gotta be a pretty obvious one. And then re-break the low for the volume, and then we can look to, you know, trade it down into these levels here. So right there is our top wick. So I'm gonna have a sell stop at the break of that low. And stops are gonna be kept above the previous candle. And if we re-break the low, we should be good to drive. So sell stops at the break of the low here, chat. So this is an impulse entry. These are the impulse entries I've seen work. We have that top wick, we need to break the low, then we should come down and retest the low here. Got some nice rejections to the top side, so that's nice. So if we re-break this low, should be good to drive. Oh yeah, chat, I'm in. I got tapped in here. So I'm in this position. So I got into a sell here, stops are above this high. TP is gonna be somewhere down in this range here. Yeah, I got tapped in there. Anybody else get activated? I got activated. Not in yet? Cool. We have 930 volume. Let's see if we can make it happen. This candle doesn't have a bottom wick, but if we re-break the low, probably should be able to drive. Did you get activated? Yeah. George, you got activated? Okay. How many years you been trading? Since 2019. Uh-oh. Whoop. Let's just be friends. $7 months? Okay, nice, nice. Do. You close 50, nice. Yeah, as long as we respect this high, we should be fine. But it is an impulse entry, right? So you're basically counting on volume here to drive you down. Volume's going to drive it one way or another, so. Yeah, nice. If it breaks the lows again, you're going to add. Perfect. Perfecto. I'm in this trade. I did get tapped in. Yep. This is a impulse entry here. Volume should be good. And now we wait.
Where's your OTP at?
I'm gonna look to secure some profits. Probably right around what is this? 1823 250-ish. Somewhere down there. We just gotta re-break the low. Yeah, pretty nice top wick there, yeah. Ugh. If it drops, it'll be 720. Would you buy? No. No, sir. Do. All right, we rebroke the low, which is good. Gotta put our jam on. There's our jam. Once we get over here to the support, I'll move stops to BE. And then make it a risk-free trade. And then if we can break through that, we should be good to fill this wick here. Alright, so gonna go break even here, chat, making this a risk-free trade. See if we can get it to run now. There's that support we talked about. See if we can break through here. Gonna close partials at about 10 pips on this trade.
Nice.
Alright, closing partials right here. Stops are at BE, and I'm gonna see if we can run. Can we run? Where's the volume? Oh, all right. That's it for me. Break even. So snag 10 pips there, chat. 10 pips. And look at that pullback. So, yep, snag 10 pips. That's the trade. Not bad for a Friday. Yeah, you don't want to play once it re-breaks the lows and comes down to the support. That's why we move our stops to break even. Candle could still drive, but it's a Friday, so no need to push it. Alright, so let's get this. So what do we got here? So we got, again, that was 930, right? 930. Two, 217. Gold sell. That was an impulse entry here. So yeah, I guess we could just go with like a fake out back into the range here. And it was the break of the previous 30-minute time frame, half. I got 10. I got like 11, but I'm gonna put 10. It was just about 10. So another W. It was a light one, small W, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Not bad, not bad. $10 pips a day keeps the job away.
That's correct.
That is correct, Amundo. So yeah, that's gonna be the day here. Like I said, I got about 11 pips there. 10. But well management. Every win is a celebration. Yep, it was a good win. We were able to make money from our computers on a Friday. And now you don't know what this candle wants to do, right? So the volume dumped in. Now we have the last 15-minute candle. If the 15 can close below, I think price could continue down. If not, it may just range here. But that was an impulse entry right there. You won't see us take many of those, But in this case where there was volume in the market, there was a lot of consolidation, a lot of rejections to the top side, right? All these rejections. You had this candle close pretty strong. You had this one pushed down right away. Yeah, so this should continue driving now. We closed below here. And yeah, once we came into the support area, it was good to secure something on that. So yeah, that's gonna be it. That'll be the day. You do have a closure below now. This candle should continue driving. We should come on down into these areas here. It's 50% secured at 6 pips today, and price hit BE. Yeah, it was one of those days, man. It's a Friday, so not bad at all. Yeah, not much could have been done there. Could have kept the original stops and held, but it's Friday. It's Friday. So there it goes. I closed 90% at that rejection at the low. Nice. Very good. Same here. Closed about 80% there. Runner got stopped. No biggie. But yeah, that's the day here, chat. It was a good stream. Pretty low-key stream today, Friday. But W week, man. W week. So let's see here. What do we do? So this week we got started. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. I thought we took 4. What was Monday's date? Monday was the 13th. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, 4 W's. And that's a W week, chat. So spam the chat with W's for this week. We'll be back at it next week. Monday, it is a bank holiday, so we won't be here Monday. But we'll be back on Tuesday. And we do have volume dumping into the market next week, so it should be really nice. We'll pay attention to how this weekly candle closes and move accordingly next week. So hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream today. If you can, give it a like on your way out. Sell, stop loss. 1826.5. Let's take a look here. Yeah, look at that. We're running now. So running pretty well here now. And there's that area. So yeah, W. WW. Hi, Lele. So good work, y'all. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Hold on. Sells, stop loss, 1827. Yeah, man, do it. I think we have volume, so it could get filled. You got about 12 minutes for the 1 hour candle to close, so could be a good play. Could be a good play. But that'll be it for me today. That's it for the week. Again, Monday we have bank holiday, but we'll be back on Tuesday. So see you guys then. Have a great weekend, y'all. Peace.
See ya, guys.
Later. Later, boys. Later.
That was a great trade.
All right, chat. Peace.
Do what I'm told. to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm, no longer wishing, you're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride, look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1 million life, we could roll the dice, act like you surprised, but you already know. Oh yeah, got lucky overnight, jackpot when I got the invite. Let me wrap my arms around you, cause I can't go home without you. And my heart just vibes with you back, wanna go sky high with you back. Gotta bring you close to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. Cooler than cold, I'm all in. So load up the dice, so heavy. The way that you roll, I'm falling. So I'm in the fall, I'm ready
Are you sleeping?
to take my chances,
Yeah.
to take my time.